Okay, guys, an article was published on the 3rd of December this year accusing an officer of raping another sailor while the aircraft carrier was docked in Florida. The aircraft carrier name is HMS Prince of Wales. So the aircraft carrier belonged to the Royal Navy in the UK, and that officer is said to have sexually assaulted a lady officer while the aircraft carrier was docked in Florida. The lady was raped while she was drunk, and this happened in her apartment. It has not happened on the aircraft carrier, but the aircraft carrier was parked, and the rape occurred in an apartment that she was renting. This is a picture of the aircraft carrier. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to show you. I knew something of this nature would have happened. I did not get it exactly right, but I knew it something will happen of this sort. Here it is. The title is Rape on Aircraft Carrier. As I said, it has not happened on the aircraft carrier, but the aircraft carrier was parked in Florida, and it has happened in an apartment. I dreamed that on the 24th of April 2022, a bit over 2 years ago, and it has happened. The difference is that, as I said, the aircraft carrier did not belong to the USA. It belonged to the Royal Navy, and it did not happen on the aircraft carrier itself. It has happened in an apartment. But I knew it that a sailor or officer, whatever that might be, will be raped, will face some sort of sexual assault. And it has happened, guys. Again, this is just a simple example how things work out for me in my life every single day. That's how my brains work. Thank you for watching. Please share it.